Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at GOdor, an internal deodorant supplement that promises to stop body and breath odor from the inside out. It sounds like a dream for anyone who's ever been told they smell like a gym locker, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. The company boasts over 20,000 happy customers and hundreds of 4-star reviews. However, there's a small, tiny, totally not suspicious detail. Their website domain was registered in early 2025, yet they somehow have reviews from over a year ago. I guess they're either selling to time travelers or they're just really bad at lying. Either way, that kind of blatant dishonesty is a massive red flag. If you head over to Trustpilot, the vibe shifts quickly from miracle cure to total disaster. They have a mediocre rating based on exactly one real review, and surprise, it's a 1-star warning. The customer tried to cancel their order within 24 hours, but was told it was impossible, followed by a total ghosting on all follow-up emails. It's always comforting when a company treats their customer support like a bad breakup. When you're trying a new supplement, the last thing you want is a company that takes your money and then vanishes into the digital void. Now let's talk safety. GOdor claims they've been tested by a certified European lab and meet every purity standard under the sun. The catch? They won't actually show you the report. Apparently, the results are a secret because of the lab's usage policy. Sure, and I have a girlfriend in Canada you've never met. If the product is actually safe, why hide the proof? To make matters worse, the ingredient list is incredibly vague. They mention parsley and mint, which you could probably just get from a grocery store for $3, but they offer zero information on fillers, preservatives, or capsule materials. For something you're swallowing daily, just trust us isn't exactly a medical-grade reassurance. Their marketing is just as aggressive as their secrets. You'll see constant buy one get one deals and 10% off today only timers, which is a classic trick to make you panic buy before you realize the original price was likely inflated anyway. They're trying harder to sell this than a used car salesman in a cheap suit. With no phone number or live chat for support, you're essentially on your own if things go south. The final verdict? Between the fake reviews, the hidden safety reports, and the sketchy customer service, GOdor is a hard pass. If you want to smell better, maybe just try a shower and some actual transparency. Thanks for watching, stay smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.